All right, artist. Now that we have collected items from our nature walk, let's start organizing these items into an artwork. I am really inspired by Andy Goldsworthy. I love how he creates these circles and he uses patterns with natural items. So I'm just going to create a little pattern here. It's going to go around in a circle. And you can see that where I'm working, it's really windy. So if it's not the best weather outside, you could always move inside. But I wanted to leave something, and just like Andy Goldsworthy does, I created this and then I left it there. I knew it was going to get messed up because it's windy, but that's okay. I still had fun doing it. And then just to show you, this is my final piece. It's inspired by Andy Goldsworthy. And then here's another idea. You could take your items and actually create a picture with it. So as you're looking at your materials, try to think, what shapes do I see and what does it remind me of? You can use this really in however way you want. I was looking at the acorn and I was thinking, ooh, that kind of looks like a head. Then I looked at the leaves and I thought, ooh, that kind of looks like it could be a dress. So here I'm making a girl. I use that leaf behind the acorn as her hat, the green leaves at the bottom as grass, and then those leaves that I'm crunching up at the top, I thought could be clouds in the sky. So that's just one idea of how you can use these items to create another artwork. You could also add marker, crayon, colored pencil, even paint to the background of any of these just to add a little bit more detail and dimension to your artwork. Here's another idea. I found that really cool looking leaf and I thought, ooh, it kind of looks like the head of an animal. So I'm just laying things down and really experimenting. Then I started thinking, oh, it kind of looks like a giraffe because the stem of the leaves are really long and it reminded me of the neck of a giraffe. Then I laid again those little green leaves down for the grass. There's that little green leaf that's the giraffe's ear. And then I'm just going to twist up a leaf and start to tear it apart. And I'm going to use those for the rays that are going to be coming from the little sun that I put in the corner. So there's no right or wrong way to this, but I hope you have fun creating your nature art.